side. You'll notice there's 3 terminals on this one. This is a dual run capacitor. So we have fan, Herm for Herman Munster, and C for common. Actually, Herm is for the hermetic compressor. But let's go ahead and test that. So I'll put the black lead on C. I'm sorry, make sure my hands are out of the way so you can see the meter. And then we'll jump over here to fan. And if this was good, what you should see is that meter should jump and then go back to 1, or it'll jump or climb. And let's see, so that side doesn't work. There's nothing going on there. So the fan side of this capacitor is bad. Let's jump over here to the other side here, and you can see that jump for a second. So the hermetic compressor side, which is there's less microfarads in that side, but it's this capacitor is no good. Just in comparison, here's a
ओके तो आज हम लोग कैपेसिटर चेक करेंगे. हमारे पास टोटल 5 कैपेसिटर है. तो 4 जो कैपेसिटर वो 7.5 यूएफ का है, जो प्लस माइनस 5% है. ये भी 7.5, और ये जो है ये 15 का है, यूएफ का है, प्लस माइनस 5% है. इस पे ये इजीली चल जाएगा. 15% से 5% कम भी दिखा रहा है या ज़्यादा भी दिखा रहा है, तो इसका मतलब कैपेसिटर ओके है. ठीक है, दोबारा देख लेते हैं.
Good or bad, or needs to be replaced.
Okay. ठीक है, बाद में